Okay, and this is a presentation that I did in a previous class about Italian history. So this is about the age of anxiety in late modernism. So if I put this into the slideshow and we look through it, let's see. So in this era, it was after the Second World War, and I just have some information here about the politics, what the Western Bloc was, the Eastern Bloc, conflicts during the Cold War, such as the Vietnam War, the Berlin Wall, the Korean War, emergence of the Third World in Latin America. And this was also an age of Americanization. Things like we know as like the Beach Boys, God Only Knows, different songs like that. Those all became famous in Europe. These are different schools of thought that emerged from that time period as well. Structuralism, philosophy, religion, the Pope, feminist thought. And if I exit out of this, and if we go down to, let's see, there's different artwork from that time period. And the slides that I had worked on for this presentation was about film in Italy at the time. So I focused on the movie La Dolce Vita, 8½, Federico Fellini, and how he was a major director. And this is another one of the slides that I made about the movie Roma Città Aperta. And there's two more slides that I created in this presentation. This one, where I talked about film throughout that time period in general. So Jean-Luc Godard was from the French New Wave movement, and Ingmar Bergman was a Swedish film director. And finally, there was also a lot of US documentaries at the time to kind of continue on with the Americanization of that period. And that's it.